What are they screaming about?
We're now in the core of the storm. I-70 east side Indianapolis going south, now on Post Road.
Oh, God. You said white against black, and that's what I see.
From this angle, we may not even see it.
You want to sit them down on the line.
Tornado underground has a power flash. Power flashes! Tornado underground!
That's what they look like?
Yes! We're in front of it, too.
Are we really?
Keep it on ZXY. Power flashes. Tornado is on the ground to my west-southwest. It's right there, buddy.
I don't see anything, but...
I'm just coming up to the exit for Southeastern Avenue. There's also an area just to the west of that.
Can you possibly tell me if this is coming towards me?
Post Road, 10th Street.
Post Road, just north of the 10th Street intersection. If this is moving east-northeast, it's coming right at me. I gotta get south.
Notice the telltale snap no roll, as I call it, to the thunder there. You get the crash, but it doesn't roll. It sounds like a shotgun blast. That's normal near a large tornado.
Keep going. I got it. Keep going, James. Get out of here. There she is. Oh, God, that's so beautiful.
Oh, God, yes.
Can I get out and look at it? I'm just getting the one that's forming. She is tornado, James. That second funnel has tornado. We got sisters.
He's on his way. See that snaking down right there?
Right here, yeah.
That's a third funnel. 1, 2, 3. This one needs to get behind.